Hello everyone! Today we've got preposition under to study. Сегодня мы будем изучать предлог under, под. Look at these objects. I have got a lion. I have got a panda. I have got a lemur. I have got a tiger. I have got a rabbit. I have got 2 penguins. I have got a koala. Now, the rabbit is under the table. The rabbit is under the table. Under the table. Под столом. The koala is under the box. The koala is under the box. Under the box. Panda. The panda is under the sun. The panda is under the sun. The lion. The lion is under the umbrella. The lion is under the umbrella. The lemur. The lemur is under the star. The lemur is under the star. The tiger is under the tent. The tiger is under the tent. The penguins. The penguins are under the tree. The penguins are under the tree. Now, answer questions. Ответьте на вопросы. Where's the lion? Where? Где? Where is the lion? Yes, it's under the umbrella. Good, under the umbrella. Where's the rabbit? Under the table. Yes, it's under the table. Where's the lemur? Under the star. It's under the star. Where's the panda? Under the sun. It's under the sun. Where are the penguins? Under the tree. They are under the tree. Where's the tiger? Under the tent. It's under the tent. Where's the koala? It's under the box. Now, look again and answer questions. Ответь на вопросы еще раз. Where's the panda? Yes, it's under the sun. Where's the lemur? It's under the star. Where's the rabbit? It's under the table. Where's the tiger? It's under the tent. Where's the lion? It's under the umbrella. Where are the penguins? They're under the tree. Now do the same using your word cards. Сделай то же самое, используя свои карточки.